Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Point Comfort, Texas. This small city sits on the eastern shore of Lavaca Bay along the Texas Gulf Coast, just across the water from Port Lavaca. Today, Point Comfort is home to around 500 people, making it one of the smaller towns in the region. The community was officially incorporated in the 1950s. In its early years, industries such as aluminum and chemical plants helped support the local economy. Point Comfort has seen its population grow and shrink over the decades, reflecting shifts in local jobs and economy. Today, the bay, the port facilities, and that link to coastal Texas life continue to define this quiet bayside town. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Point Comfort, Texas.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!